Punctures are almost always caused by metal objects dropped on the road surface becoming embedded in the tyre. Whether the tyre can be repaired depends on the location of the puncture. The sidewall and shoulder of the tyre are structural components and cannot be repaired with a tyre plug, but if the puncture is within the centre section of the tread, it can generally be repaired. The tyre is fully inspected to check for any additional damage or excessive wear and is then removed from the wheel using specialised equipment. The tyre surface around the hole is prepared using a buffing tool. Rubber cement is then applied and allowed to dry before a repair plug is inserted into the puncture. A stitching tool is used to ensure that the plug forms a strong bond with the tyre. Then sealer is applied to the surface of the plug. The excess plug stem is removed before remounting, pressure testing and reinstalling the tyre.